Hi everyone, I'm Carson, and today we're going to practice using a visual schedule. So let's go.
Carson, good morning. It's time to fill out your schedule.
Okay, Mom, I'm coming. Is it schedule time?
Yep, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, Carson, get your schedule and have a seat.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, first I need you to check in. How do you feel today, Carson? Oh, good. Why do you feel happy today, Carson?
Because I'm excited for today.
Oh, good. Me too. We have some fun things planned. Take a look at the calendar, Carson, and fill in the date.
Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's Wednesday, so that means it's July 1st.
All right, good job, Carson. Okay, now I'm going to tell you what we're going to do for activities today. Okay, Carson, first we're going to have breakfast. Then I want you to do your hygiene schedule. After that, we're going to do work time. I want you to help me clean up the house a little bit. Then we'll have lunch. And after that, we're going to go do a mystery activity. When we get home from the mystery activity, it'll be time for a bath. And then I'm going to let you take a break. Finally, you can have a snack.
Do you want to fill out a calendar with your mom, dad, or teacher like I did today? Go check out the link in the description below and you can get a calendar just like this one. Alright, so I finished my breakfast, hygiene, work time, and lunch. And you know what that means? Mystery activity time. I'm so excited to see what the mystery activity is. Let's go! Alright, we're here at the stables, and the new thing I'm trying today is horseback riding with my sister. The first thing I had to do was put on a helmet. I'm gonna ride Frenchie today.
Carson, good job trying something new today. And you were so good at thinking flexibly that I'm gonna let you play the iPad, your favorite game, on the way home.
Yay!